we're going to try to service an iPad mini over here. The digitizer is fractured, but the LCD, which is the display underneath, is in good working order, 92%. Everything is in good working order. We preheated the heat gun already. We have gloves on, we have glasses on to protect our eyes, with the blade on hand. On this one, we only need one blade. This area over here is where the cable's at. We look at the cable, so we're going to try to penetrate it from up here, lift it up like that towards the home button. So we're going to preheat everything. If everything goes well, we should be able to lift up this digitizer in about a six-minute window, so the video will be playing for about 6 minutes. Got a little bit of blade penetration at the top already. Gonna try to hit it this angle as well. Okay. Separating the top glass, we don't want the blade to go any deeper than wherever the black border is at, to reduce the chance of damaging any components in the inside. At this stage, we still want to keep the display on so that we can test to see if any damage has occurred. If any damage has occurred, then we have to be prepared to replace the LCD as well on the display. Hey, how are you, my friend?
Okay. What are your cases for these ones?
Which ones? Oh, iPhone X's, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me 1 second. It'll be about 2 minutes.
Okay.
Can you help my friend find it?
I just want to know how much I was charging for the iPhone.
We got a little bit lifted up. And we'll stick our finger underneath the digitizer and let the heat kind of release the adhesive as we're gradually and gently pulling it up. If you remember over here, we let the heat do as much work as possible. After we get it up this far, this is where we're going to power down the, can you help swipe up? No, that area might be hot, be careful. Might need 2 fingers. Let me go this way. Thank you, Natalia. It's important to power it down before we sever this cable. Sometimes I've seen iPad minis, they'll fail just because we didn't power it down while we're cutting the cutting that cable down towards the bottom. Okay, we got it open. What? How much time has elapsed? Do you know?
5.
About 5 minutes so far. Okay, so to open up a typical iPad Mini adhesive with this type of crack pattern, it's like mild to very little cracks over here. You'll see it. If it's more cracks, it'll take longer to open up, but this one doesn't have that many cracks, so it's about 5 minutes. And while the adhesive is still warm and soft, we're going to take a blade and we try to remove all the excess pieces of glass. Be careful as we're working. Be careful around the LCD area. We don't want to chip and crack the LCD. So the adhesive comes off nice and easy while the adhesive is hot from the heat. Once it cools down, it'll get real tacky again, and then it's harder to pull up. So it's important to continue moving fast as you go along. And oops. We try to clean as we go along. Keep your gloves on. The gloves prevent your the moisture and the oils from your fingers